Hi, my name is Alim. I'm a deaf expert working with Enabled Travel. I have a question for you. Why do we travel? Is it because of the different cuisine? Is it because you want to meet new people? Learn about different cultures? Explore about new places and learn about the history and the past? Right? That's it. Same as me. I like traveling around the world. Now, as a deaf person or any other person having a disability, we do face numerous challenges while traveling, right? For example, if I want to visit Agra, the Taj Mahal, and I want to learn about the history of the place. For example, what is the heritage of the place? Now, tour guides don't have sign language expertise, or as a deaf person, we are not provided with any transcripts. So how would we learn? So there is no access. Presenting to you India's premier accessible holiday specialist called Enabled Travel. Enabled Travel believes in travel for all, worry-free travel experiences. For the first time, we have constituted a group of experts with disability, a person with deafness, a person who's blind, and all different disabilities come together to plan various itineraries and tours for you to make sure that you have worry-free travel experiences and enjoy with full accessibility. The disabled experts have already visited various tourist locations to make sure the accessibility quotient at various restaurants, hotels, museums and other tourist locations for all the itineraries which are planned especially for you. Every itinerary, whether it be domestic or international, whether solo or in a team, is possible. We provide sign language experts for the deaf and hard of hearing travelers, their special equipments, accessible vehicles, and we have caregivers for senior citizens and wheelchair users. It's nice, right? I'm deaf. Are you a person with disability? And do you like to travel? Do you believe it's possible to travel? I want to travel more. It's a wide world. Such a big place, and so many places to visit. Come, let's travel together. Enabled Travel believes that you can do it.